In this video, we will talk about how to set up remote desktop on Windows 10. Step 1. Check Windows version. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type WinVer and press Enter. Here you can see I'm using Windows 10 Pro. If you're using Windows Home, then you cannot set up remote desktop. Instead, you can take the remote of other Windows version. Step 2. Enable remote desktop. Click on Start. Open Settings. Select System. On the left side, click on Remote Desktop. Turn Enable Remote Desktop on and click on Confirm. Step 3. Username. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Open. Type echo %username % and press Enter. Here you can see your username. Step 4. Local IP. Click on Start. Open Settings. Select Network and Internet. Click on Properties. Scroll it down. Here you can see your IPv4 address. Step 5. Connect to the computer. Now, let's take the remote of Windows 10. Click in Search. Type Remote Desktop Connection. Select Open. Type your IPv4 address and click on Connect. Just for the demonstration purpose, let me re-enter credentials and make sure Remote PC has a login password. If it doesn't connect, restart the remote PC. Enter the username and password. Select Remember Me if you want your PC to remember credentials. Now click on OK. Then, Yes. Here you can see we have a remote of Windows 10 PC. So that's how you can set up remote desktop on Windows 10. See you in the next video.